Hey everybody, welcome back to Niko Brothers, and today is the day we're gonna finalize the bug, the Beetle. You know what we're talking about, but hopefully we'll put all the trim pieces back on it, get the fenders on it, fix the front alignment, because right now we're just like completely off, so maybe there's something loose or something going on there. That's what I'm gonna do first. Get that fixed, get it back on the lift, that way we could jack it up, get everything all, turned back together. So it'll be nice, and hopefully go for the test drive and nothing will happen. That's what we're hoping for, but we'll see. It's a whole new day, got more energy, let's get it done. All right, this thing is definitely looking pretty cool. What a neat look without the fenders, really clean up the paint job. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put the little visor on just for fun. Why not? Might as well get that on there, see what it looks like. And then lift it up and work on the fenders. Get this thing restored. All right guys, time to put on the fenders and see what it looks like. Got ourselves some brand new rubber seals. It's gonna make it look good. Moving right along, these fenders are coming on. The seals look great on them. Happy with the results. Nice new gaskets, because the other ones are all dry rotted and stuff, so that looks really clean. Yeah, nice. I'm probably gonna move up to the headlights, try to get those installed. So, how exactly does this headlight come together? I don't know, but we're about to find out. It's a little bit of a puzzle, but I'm sure, you know, just like anything else, we'll make it work. Figure it out. Got a little eyelid that goes in there too. It's gonna look clean. I like these new lights. LED lights right there. It's gonna look good. A little modern look to the classic bug. Nice. All right, guys, got that installed and it's looking great. Both the headlights, love the little eyelids, pretty cool, clean looking. And the turning signals, got some new ones, very clean. Nice. I like it, looking good. Man, I've been working on this thing all day, definitely made some progress. It's looking really sweet, but all these little details definitely take time. I mean, chrome pieces, making sure the gaps are right, fits on there nicely. Yeah, all day on it. The sun is setting already again. Started real early, 7:30. Not real early, I guess, but just a normal day. But it's already close to 6. I'm gonna go ahead and try to do an alignment on it. I really just wanna go on the road before it gets dark and just go for a test drive. Some of the little details I'll finish up later. I actually got the front bumper, but it's the wrong year, like you guys were saying, so I'm gonna have to order a different front bumper. And that little whole thing's not matching up, so I gotta figure something else there. Still gotta wire up my headlights. In the back, I still have my front back bumper, rear tail lights, side step to do. But like I said, let's go ahead and put on the line machine. I'm a lot closer than I was before with my tie rod ends, but I definitely do wanna align it. Let's see what it does. Hopefully, we'll get an alignment to pass, and we'll drive it on the road. Let's get it. Okay, got the initial setup done. Now I need to go ahead and find my vehicle. There's no sticker for me to scan. So, just gonna go Volkswagen. Is there a Beetle? Yeah, look at that.
What year?
1960 through 68. That's us.
Look over there.
Oh yeah, let's keep setting it up. Moving right along, tire pressure is looking good, wheels are pointing straight, camber's a little off still, but no big deal. I think we're ready for our first official test drive with our Beetle. I say let's go and hit the road. And there you go, just like that. The first thing I did with the bug is I went and I got some gas, filled it up because the tank said it was low, and our gauge is working properly, so that's really nice. I'm actually half a tank now. And yeah, I made it here no problem. Went to the gas station, went to the park, went for a little drive. Really happy with it. I'm honestly, it's growing on me, the whole sleek retro look, bug style. Yeah, I didn't really get it at first, but now it's like, it's a vibe for sure. So it's pretty cool. Yeah, we got rid of all the stickers. You were saying that gets rid of the character, but honestly, it's got a nice clean slate now with our sticker delete and our bumpers delete. It's looking pretty cool, you know, kind of unique in itself. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure you share, like the video. We have new builds coming up shortly, so don't worry. I think we're gonna wrap up the bug. We got a couple more details we're gonna finish up, but that's not a problem. You know, you basically get the idea. It was destroyed, it was wrecked, it was salvaged, now it's back to life. It's gonna be cruising on the road soon. You know, why not? Get it back or recycling or saving it from the junkyard. So there's one more bug, it's gonna be on the road, but thanks guys, we can't do it without you. I'll catch you next time.